Retire like a genius.
How to become a long-term care genius. Top 5 genius strategies for understanding long-term care and how to pay for it. Long-term care is a topic that's crucial for anyone planning their golden years. It might not be the most fun thing to think about, but the reality is that 70% of people over the age of 65 will need senior living and long-term care. The good news? Here are the top 5 genius strategies to help you recognize the need, navigate the maze of options, and figure out how to pay for long-term care. Strategy 1. Recognizing the need for care. Recognizing the need for care is where it all begins. Consider factors like mobility, cognitive health, and support for daily activities. This helps narrow down the best care option for your situation. Look for 3 key signs that living independently may no longer be an option. Physical deterioration such as weakness, loss of balance, or rapid weight loss. Cognitive deterioration such as memory loss, confusion, and sudden outbursts. Environmental deterioration such as the home is messy or damaged. From here, you want to look for the specific loss of ADLs or activities of daily living that, if a person is unable to do independently, is a sure sign that the need for long-term care has arrived. 1. Showering and bathing. 2. Dressing. 3. Toileting. 4. Eating. 5. Mobility. Strategy 2. Know the types of care available. Understanding your care options is the next step. Here are the main types of care. Home care. This includes non-medical companion care, home health care, skilled nursing, or even family-assisted support. Assisted living offers structured environments with private apartments, meals, and social activities for those needing help with daily tasks. Memory care. Tailored for cognitive decline conditions like dementia or Alzheimer's, providing 24/7 security and specialized programs. Skilled care. For advanced medical needs, often provided in nursing homes or at home with licensed care practitioners. Hospice and palliative care. Focused on comfort and pain management for advanced diseases or end-of-life care. Strategy 3. Understanding payment options. Paying for care feels overwhelming, but here are some strategies that may be at your fingertips to explore. 1. Life settlements. Sell an unneeded life insurance policy for tax-advantaged funds to pay for any form of care. 2. Reverse mortgage. Leverage your home's equity to cover home care costs without monthly loan payments. 3. VA aid and attendance benefit. Veterans and spouses may qualify for monthly benefits to cover care. 4. Annuities. Use annuities to create guaranteed monthly income streams for life. 5. Senior bridge loans. A short-term loan to cover immediate care needs while waiting for funds from the sale of a home or other assets. Strategy 4. Plan ahead. The earlier you plan, the better. Talk with family members, consult with professionals, and explore options like long-term care insurance for future care needs. Planning ahead reduces stress and expands your options. Strategy 5. Get expert guidance. Long-term care decisions can be complex, but you don't have to go it alone. Work with experts such as insurance and financial advisors, geriatric care managers, and elder law attorneys who can guide you through the process and help you make the best choices for your unique situation. Recognizing the need for care, understanding your long-term care options, and how to pay for them, then having a plan based on foresight and communication is all key to ensuring a secure and comfortable long-term care future.
Retire like a genius.
It's always best to work with information and experts to help you navigate these tricky issues. So visit Retirement Genius today to learn more about how to retire like a genius.